Alright, so it's been a while. We make a YouTube video on the Evo. Haven't opened them yet. It's tough. So if you guys don't know, these are carbon fiber like side skirts extensions.
That's your hat can't fit ya. Either I'm with you or against ya. Format bent ya. Back to that maze I sent ya. Talking to the rap inventor. Nigga with the game type fist that flame right. Spell my name right.
I'm gonna lie, these were fucking expensive.
Nobody do it better. Going back to Cali, strictly for the weather. Women and the weed, sticky green. No seed, bitch clean. Papa ain't soft, get up in the hood. Ain't no love lost. Got me mixed up, you drunk the mix up. Mad cause I got my dick sucked. And my ball flick, forfeit, the game is mine. I'ma spell my name one more time, check it. It's the N-O-T-O-R-I-O-U-S. You just lay down slow. Recognize the real dawn when you see one. Sipping on booze in the house of blues. I'm going.
Only thing you need to install side skirts is gonna be one of these. Alright, so there's 7 screws. Got 3 in the back, 4 in the front. Just a little wipe down before we install. Alright, so like I said, it already has the pre-drilled holes on the carbon. Take them off and then insert this in between. Alright, so to install this one, it looks pretty simple. It comes with these nuts and bolts, so what I'm gonna do is just make it bigger since it doesn't fit. Make the holes bigger and then just use 2 of them. So we mark the hole. Should have power. It's perfect. With and without. Trying to knock it out quick because the customer's coming at 5 and it's 4. But I don't think it should take too long.
Back to Cali. If I got to choose the coast, I got to choose the east. I live out there, so don't go there. But that don't mean a nigga can't rest in the west. See some nice rest in the west. Smoke some nice sets in the west. Y'all niggas is a mess, thinking I'm gon' stop. Give it LA props. All I got is beef with those that violate me. I shall annihilate thee. Case closed, suitcase filled with clothes. Linens and things, I'll begin things. People start to flash. 818, 213s, 313s, BIG. Frequently lost holes at Roscoe's. If I want a squirter, take her to Fat Burger. Spend about a week on Venice Beach. Sipping Cristo with some freaks from Frisco. I'm going.
Alright, so that was a quick video installing the side skirt extensions. Overall, I think it came out fucking sick.